If you drive a pickup truck, the right accessories can completely transform how useful, comfortable, and capable your truck really is. From smart cargo solutions and towing essentials to camping gear and recovery tools, these upgrades can make everyday driving, work tasks, and outdoor adventures much easier. In this video, we're covering 20 smart truck gadgets and accessories that add real functionality to your pickup. Whether you use your truck for hauling, road trips, off-roading, or daily driving, there's something here worth checking out. And as always, you'll find links to every product mentioned in the description below. Number 1 on the list is this tonneau cover, one of the most practical upgrades for transforming a truck bed into a more secure and weather-protected cargo space. Whether using a soft roll-up design or a hard folding style, this cover helps shield tools, luggage, groceries, and equipment from rain, dust, and direct sun exposure. It also keeps cargo out of sight, which can add an extra layer of security when parking in public areas. Many models still allow quick bed access by folding or rolling back, making it easy to load larger items whenever needed. At number 2 comes these running boards, a functional upgrade that improves everyday entry and exit while also enhancing the overall look of the truck's side profile. The wide stepping surface gives better footing when climbing into taller trucks, especially lifted models or heavy-duty pickups. This added support becomes especially helpful for passengers, children, or anyone stepping into the vehicle multiple times throughout the day. Running boards can also reduce wear on seat edges because drivers no longer need to slide across the seat while climbing in. Now at number 3 is this wireless backup camera, a smart safety upgrade that helps drivers reverse and park with greater confidence. Instead of relying only on mirrors, this camera provides a clearer view of what is directly behind the truck. That makes it easier to spot obstacles, curbs, or low objects that may otherwise be hidden from sight. The wireless design simplifies installation compared to traditional wired systems. Whether backing into tight parking spaces or aligning with a trailer hitch, this camera makes everyday driving far more controlled. Coming in at number 4 is this truck bed extender, designed to increase the usable loading length when carrying oversized cargo. With the tailgate lowered, the extender creates additional support for longer items such as ladders, lumber, kayaks, or construction materials. This helps prevent cargo from shifting or hanging unsupported beyond the bed. Many designs can also rotate inward to act as a cargo divider when the tailgate is closed. That dual functionality makes the bed easier to organize while still providing extra hauling flexibility whenever larger loads need transport. At number 5 is this roll bar, an upgrade that instantly changes the appearance of the truck while also adding practical functionality depending on the setup. Some versions include mounting points for extra gear, while others feature tire carriers or cargo baskets for additional storage options. Beyond looks, the structure can provide a stronger framework for attaching lights, equipment, or adventure gear. For truck owners who enjoy off-road travel, camping, or heavy hauling, a roll bar creates a more rugged profile while expanding the bed's potential uses. Number 6 on the list is this Bedslide rolling truck bed cargo tray, a heavy-duty solution designed to make accessing gear inside the truck bed much easier. Instead of climbing into the bed or stretching across the tailgate, the sliding platform pulls cargo outward for quick access. Tools, coolers, storage bins, and equipment can all be reached without rearranging the entire load. This system reduces strain on the back and saves time when loading or unloading frequently. For work trucks or outdoor setups, it greatly improves overall bed accessibility. At number 7 comes this portable truck bed tent, a smart addition that converts the truck bed into a comfortable camping space. The tent uses the truck bed walls as part of the structure, creating a raised sleeping area above the ground. This keeps campers away from mud, rocks, and uneven terrain that traditional ground tents must deal with. Ventilation panels help maintain airflow while protecting against weather conditions. For road trips, outdoor adventures, or quick overnight stops, this setup turns the truck into a more versatile travel companion. Now arriving at number 8 is this truck bed air mattress, designed to make overnight stays far more comfortable when sleeping in the truck bed. The mattress is shaped to fit the bed layout more effectively than standard inflatable mattresses. That means it fills the space better and provides more consistent support across the sleeping surface. Instead of resting directly on the hard bed floor, users get cushioning that improves comfort during longer trips. For camping, fishing weekends, or extended travel, this simple addition can greatly improve rest quality. Moving on to number 9 is this foldable tailgate ladder, a practical accessory that makes climbing into the truck bed safer and easier. Many pickup trucks sit high off the ground, making bed access difficult when loading equipment or cargo. This ladder provides a stable stepping point that reduces the need to jump or climb awkwardly. It becomes especially useful when carrying tools, supplies, or heavy gear. When not in use, the ladder folds neatly out of the way, maintaining the truck's clean appearance without adding unnecessary bulk. At number 10 is this Endo-hitch trailer ball mount, an essential component for trucks that handle towing duties. This mount provides the secure connection point between the truck and a trailer, helping maintain proper alignment during transport. A strong ball mount supports safer towing by keeping trailers stable while driving, braking, or turning. It can be used for hauling equipment trailers, boats, campers, or utility loads. For truck owners who frequently tow cargo, this component plays an important role in maintaining dependable and controlled towing performance. Quick reminder, you can find links to all the products featured in this video down in the description if you want to check them out. At number 11 is this heavy-duty recovery tow strap kit, an essential piece of equipment for situations where vehicles lose traction or become stuck. Built with strong, reinforced webbing, these straps are designed to handle the stress involved in pulling vehicles out of mud, snow, sand, or uneven terrain. Unlike regular ropes or light-duty straps, recovery straps are made to stretch slightly under load, which helps distribute pulling force more safely. Keeping a kit like this inside the truck means being prepared for unexpected roadside problems or assisting another vehicle in difficult conditions. Number 12 on the list is this powerful air compressor kit, a highly useful tool for maintaining proper tire pressure wherever the truck travels. Tire pressure can change due to temperature, heavy loads, or long-distance driving. Having a portable compressor allows drivers to quickly inflate tires without needing a nearby gas station. It also becomes extremely helpful after off-road driving, where tires may be intentionally deflated for better traction and then reinflated afterward. Compact and easy to store, this tool adds a practical level of roadside self-reliance for everyday driving or travel. Coming in at number 13 is this traction tire ladder set designed for driving through mud, snow, sand, or other unstable surfaces. When tires spin on loose terrain, these boards create a firm gripping surface that helps the vehicle climb back onto stable ground. They are placed directly under the tires to improve traction and prevent further sinking. This makes them especially valuable during winter travel, beach driving, or off-road exploration. For trucks that frequently travel beyond paved roads, traction boards provide a simple but highly effective recovery solution. At number 14 is this truck bed soft topper, which creates a taller enclosed cargo area while still keeping a flexible and removable design. Unlike low-profile bed covers, this topper provides extra vertical space for transporting larger items that require weather protection. The soft frame structure allows it to fold or remove when the full open bed is needed again. This makes it useful for camping gear, travel equipment, or work supplies that benefit from protection against rain and dust. It adds versatility without permanently changing the truck's bed configuration. Number 15 on the list is this truck bed cargo net, a simple but effective solution for keeping smaller items from shifting around inside the bed while driving. Lightweight cargo such as bags, sports gear, boxes, or tools can easily slide when the truck accelerates, brakes, or turns. The cargo net stretches across the bed area and holds these items in place, preventing unnecessary movement. It also helps organize loads more neatly by keeping loose gear grouped together. For daily errands or light hauling, this small addition makes the truck bed feel more controlled. At number 16 is this Powerbuilt tire truck step, a clever access tool designed to hook securely onto the truck's tire. This creates a raised stepping platform that allows easier reach to higher areas of the vehicle. It becomes extremely helpful when cleaning the windshield, accessing roof racks, loading rooftop cargo, or working under the hood. Instead of stretching or standing on unstable surfaces, the step provides a safer and more comfortable working position. Compact and portable, it can be stored easily while remaining ready whenever extra height is needed. Number 17 on the list is this windshield cover designed specifically for pickup trucks, helping protect the front glass from extreme weather conditions. In cold climates, it prevents frost, ice, and snow from forming directly on the windshield, saving time during early morning starts. In warmer weather, it helps reduce heat buildup inside the cabin by blocking direct sunlight. This can also protect dashboard materials from long-term UV exposure. Easy to install and remove, the cover provides a simple way to maintain visibility and improve interior comfort. Coming in at number 18 is this truck step-mounted brush, a practical accessory that helps remove dirt and debris from footwear before entering the vehicle. Mounted near the step area, the brush allows drivers to quickly clean mud, sand, or snow from boots. This helps prevent excess dirt from being tracked onto floor mats and interior carpets. For trucks used on job sites, farms, trails, or construction areas, it becomes a very convenient tool for keeping the cabin cleaner. Over time, this small addition helps maintain a better interior condition. At number 19 is this bullet antenna, a compact replacement for the longer factory antenna often found on trucks. Its shorter metal design gives the exterior a cleaner and more rugged appearance. While primarily a visual upgrade, it also reduces the chance of the antenna bending or hitting low objects such as garage doors or tree branches. Many drivers prefer the more streamlined look it provides. Small exterior details like this can subtly enhance the truck's overall styling without requiring any complicated installation. Finally, at number 20 is this truck bed LED light strip, an upgrade that dramatically improves visibility inside the bed during nighttime use. When loading tools, equipment, or cargo after dark, the bed area can be difficult to see with only exterior lighting. These LED strips illuminate the entire cargo space, making it easier to find items and organize loads. They are especially helpful for late-night work, camping trips, or roadside stops. By adding clear lighting exactly where it is needed, this accessory improves both convenience and safety. And that wraps up our list of 20 useful truck accessories that can seriously upgrade your pickup's capability and convenience. If you saw something you liked, don't forget to check the links in the description where you can find all the products mentioned in this video. And if you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more truck accessories, car gadgets, and smart automotive upgrades coming your way.